Good day, sir.
Good day. Order, please. The assembly has commenced in proper fashion. All parties are accounted for. No violence thus far. We proceed to opening remarks. The meeting has come to a grinding halt. No injuries reported, but personnel have become non-cooperative and could become violent. We will reattempt opening remarks under great duress.
Opening remarks. The assembly has commenced without a hitch, with minor complications. We will push ahead nonetheless, eyes forward, minds open, pencils ready. We will now hear rebuttals from the prior meeting.
I would like to make a comment. I agree with Book's assessment of last meeting's work. It was well thought out, concise, and poetical. It captured the spirit and the veracity of all mankind, and it was above all, correct.
Thank you, Meek. You are always a light to our path. Does anyone else have a rebuttal or comment from last week?
I would like to bring up new business.
This is not the proper time.
Stop the violence! Look at it. We are not heathens. Order will be maintained. Discipline will be upheld. Civilization, as we know it, is hanging by a thread. But we, and we alone, will hold the world together. We must gather our strength from each other. The balance of justice and truth must remain in our favor if we expect to survive the trying times that we are steeped in at this very moment. Truth alone will always...
It moved again!
Take. It is not your proper time to speak. I am standing.
It moved. We must discuss.
I will not be made a fool. Sit before all order has been lost.
What is that?
Order. Order, I implore you both. We must keep the assembly together. We must resist corruption from outside. We must look to the future, to where we aspire to be and will one day end up. The greatest men the world have known. At the end of the world, they will chant our names when we are... Stop looking at that door. It will bring you nothing.
Door. What is a door?
A door is that embarrassment over there. It is an abomination. It mocks us with its presence. Don't think about it, and clearly don't look at it. Every glance will torment your dreams. Corruption will take your soul and will leave you with nothing.
I want to know where it came from. What is it? This is new business of the utmost importance. We cannot wait until the end of the assembly.
There is nothing to talk about. We will not mention this again. We will ignore it as we always have. On to the next order of business. Does anyone have a new work that they would like to read aloud?
It's your fault it's here. You did this to us.
Nothing is out there. Don't think about it. Don't look at it.
Out there? You mean that's a way out? To somewhere away from here?
Leave it alone. You don't know what will happen.
The world is gone. It doesn't exist anymore. There is only us left. We must band together. Meek, calm down. It's only broken.
I will not calm down.
Let it alone, Take. You don't know what it's like out there.
I thought there was nothing.
Nothing. Yes, nothing. No one.
Did they lock you in here?
No. No. I came in here to get away from them. To start over. To create what they never gave me. Order. Truth. Meaning. They took everything for themselves. They destroyed everyone.
I don't want them in here.
They fought. They were corrupt. They burned books and houses, and they killed each other with guns and bombs. They would lie. I saved you.
I understand. We should not let them in. I apologize for the truly inappropriate remarks I have made, and I hope the Assembly and the world will forgive my ill-advised actions, and we may resume bettering ourselves.
This ends the current Assembly meeting. I hope the meeting was satisfactory to everyone involved. Please join us again. Next time, we will be studying a new work of great magnitude to the human race.
What is wrong with your face?
I apologize for the disruption. It will never happen again.
The assembly is over.